Hello, welcome to BR Learning School. Let's learning alphabets A to Z. A for alligator. B for bird. C for cup. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grape. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for watch. W for watch. X for fox. X for fox. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. এইরকম সুন্দর সুন্দর শিক্ষামূলক ভিডিও পেতে অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটি লাইক করবে এবং চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। ধন্যবাদ।